Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In the previous session, we have discussed the questions based on domain concept. In this session, we are going to solve mains model questions. Let's see the very first question. If x by 2 minus 1 equal to 2 by 3x minus 2, then x equal to. Let's solve this one. X by 2 minus 1 equal to 2 by 3x minus 2. X by 2 minus 2 by 3x is equal to minus 2 plus 1. This is minus 1. Take the LCM, 6. 3x minus 4x. 3x minus 4x minus x by 6 is equal to minus 1. Minus and minus will be cancelled. X is equal to 6. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Divide 42 into two parts. One part is twice the other part. Then those numbers are. 42 should be divided into two parts. Let it be one part is x. Remaining part will be 42 minus x. One part is twice the other. One part is this one. Another part is this one. So 42 minus x is equal to twice the other 2x. 42 is equal to 3x. 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 fours. Okay. So x is equal to 14. One number is 14. One number is 14. So option 4 is the correct answer for this one. You may get a doubt, sir, why should I take 42 minus x is equal to 2x only? You can take one number is twice the other. 42 minus x. You can take in this manner also, you will get the same answer. X is equal to 2 into 42, 84 minus 2x. This is 3x. 3x is equal to 84. Here 3 2 6, 3 8 24. X is equal to 28. 28. No 28, no 28, no 28. So option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, right. Let's see the next one. 4 times of a number diminished by 5 equals 19, then the number is 4 times a number is always x. 4 times means 4 into x. Just convert this statement into mathematical form. Diminished means reduced. By how much? 5. Reduce or diminish means we have to subtract. 5 equals means equal to, that is 19. So 4x is equal to plus 5 becomes, sorry, minus 5 becomes plus 5. So this is 24. Here x is equal to 6. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the multi-correct question. Multi-correct means more than one options will be correct. More than one means it may be 2, 3, all. 5x minus 3 by 2 minus 3x minus 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Take the LCM, 6. Cross multiply. 5 3s 15x minus 9. This is 3 2s 6x minus into minus plus 2 2s 4 equal to 2 by 3. 3 1s 3 2s. This 2 becomes 4. 15x minus 9 minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 4. This 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. So 0. 15 minus 6, 9x minus 9. 9x is equal to 9. X is equal to 1. So option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Let's see this question, reasoning type. Statement 1. 3x minus 2 by 3 plus 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to x plus 7 by 6 at x is equal to 1 by 3. The equation is true. At x is equal to 1 by 3, this equation is true. That is the statement 1. In statement 2, if a term is moved from one side of an equation to the other, then the sign of the term is changed. Yes, this second statement is true. First statement is also true or false, we have to check. First solve this equation. 3x minus 2 by 3 plus 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to x plus 7 by 6. Take the LCM 6. 2 3s 6x minus 4 plus 3 2s 6x plus 9 equal to x plus 7 by 6. This is 6x plus 7 by 6. This 6 and this 6 will be cancelled. 6x plus 6x 12x plus minus 4 plus 9 plus 5 equal to 6x plus 7. So, this becomes 6x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 6. 2 1s, 2 3s. X is equal to 1 by 3. So, at x is equal to 1 by 3, this is true. So, first statement is true. Second statement is also true. Whenever we move the terms from one side to another side, we have to change the signs. So, accordingly, this is solved. So, both the statements 1 and 2 are true. Both the statements false. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. So, option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, right. Murthy left 1 by 3rd of his property to his son, 1 by 4 to his daughter and the remaining to his wife. If the wife's share was 40,000 rupees, find the total value of his property. Murthy left 1 by 3. First of all, Murthy is having x rupees with him. Okay. So, Murthy left 1 by 3 of his property to his son. That means, son's share is 1 by 3x and 1 by 4 to his daughter. Daughter 1 by 4x. The remaining is given to his wife. So, how much is remaining? 1 by 3 x minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. First solve this one. 12, 4x plus 3x, x minus total property is x. So, from this one we are subtracting son's property and daughter's property. 7x by 12. So, this is 12x, 12x minus 7x is 5x by 12 is wife's property, but the value of wife's property is 40,000. So, this 5x by 12 is equal to 40,000. 5x by 12 is equal to 40,000. 8,000. So, x is equal to 96. 96,000 x. Here the question is Murthy's son's share. So, how much? 1 by 3 of x into 1 by 3. 3 3s 9, 3 2s, 32,000 is the son's share. Okay, right. Let us see the next one. Murthy's daughter's share. Daughter's share is 1 by 4x. 1 by 4 into 96,000. 4 2s 8, 4 4s 16, 24,000 is daughter's share. That is option 1. Murthy's total value of his property is 96,000 rupees. That is x value. Matrix match. 3x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3, then x is equal to. Let us solve one by one. 3x minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3. 3x, this becomes minus x is equal to, this becomes plus, minus 3 plus 5 by 3. This is 2x equal to 3 3s minus 9 plus 5. by 3. 2x is equal to minus 4 by 3. 2 ones, 2 twos. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. So, A is 3. Let us see B. X by 3 minus x by 9 is equal to 7x by 6 minus 5 2 by 3. X by 3 minus x by 9 minus 7x by 6 equal to 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 17 minus 17 by 3. So, LCM is the bigger number is 9, 3 3 is 9. So, 9 and 6 we have to find 9 6 18. 3 6 18 6x minus 9 2 is 18 2x minus 6 3 is 3 7 is 21 x equal to minus 17 by 3. This 3 3 6. This 6 becomes multiplication. So, here 6x, yeah, this is 23. 23 minus 6, 3, so 17 minus 17 x is equal to minus 17 into 6. This minus 17 will be cancelled, x is equal to 6. So, option 1. Let us solve C. 2x by 3 plus 4x equivalent to 42. So, 3 4s 12, 2x plus 12x by 3 equal to 42. 3x plus 2 plus 12, 14x by 3 equal to 42. 14 ones, 14 3s. X is equal to 3 3s 9. So, this one. So, the remaining is 2. Okay. So, this is matrix match. Let us see the next one. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 of one of its equal sides. If the perimeter of the triangle is 400 centimeters, find the lengths of its sides. Whenever you see then we have to draw the diagram. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. These two sides are equal. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 of one of its sides. Let it be x and x. 4 by 3 of x. The perimeter of the triangle is, perimeter means the sum of all sides. So, we have to add all the sides. The perimeter is 400. How do we get perimeter from this diagram? X plus 4 by 3 x, that is equal to 400. X plus x 2x plus 4 by 3 x is equal to 400. 3 2s 6, 6x plus 4x by 3 is equal to 400. 10x by 3. 10x by 3 is equal to 400. 10 ones 10 40s. X is equal to 120. So, find the lengths of its sides. X is equal to 120. This is 120. This is also 120. This is 4 by 3 into 120. That is 160. These are the sides of the triangle. Okay. Let us see the next one. If 6 into 3x plus 2 minus 5 into 6x minus 1 equal to 3 into x minus 8 minus 5 into 7x minus 6 plus 9x, then x is, just we have to solve this one, we will get the answer, x value. 6 into 3x plus 2 minus 5 into 6x minus 1 equal to 3 into x minus 8 minus 5 into 7x minus 6 plus 9x. This is 18x plus 12 minus 30x plus 5 equal to 3x minus 9x. This is 17. 30 minus 18. 10 minus 82. 2 minus 1, 1. So, minus 12x equal to 12x minus 35x plus 6. 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, x plus 6, 17 minus 12x. So, this is 23, this becomes plus 23, minus 12 plus 23, 11x is equal to, this becomes 6 minus 17 minus 11. 11 ones, 11 ones, x is equal to minus 1. So, which is option 2. The present age of A is twice that of B. 30 years from now, the age of A will be 1 by 2 times that of B. Find the present age of A and B. In this type of questions, first of all, we have to take the present ages. At present, let us check the comparison. A is being compared by B. So, present age of B, x. Age of A is equal to, present age of A is twice that of B, so that is 2x. 30 years from now, 30 years from now. So, if your age is 15 years now, then 30 years after 15 plus 30, that is 45. So, present age of B is x, 30 years later x plus 30. A present age is 2x, after 30 years 2x plus 30. Here the condition is A age will be 1 by 2 times of B age, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 times of B, A is equal to. So, A's age is 2x plus 30. 2x plus 30 equal to 3 by 2 times of x plus 30. 4x plus 60 equal to 3x plus 90. This is 4x minus 3x x, 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. So, present age of B is 30. B is 30. Find the present age of A and B. B is 30. A is equal to 2 into 30, 60. That's it. Shobha's age 13 years ago is half her age 13 years later. So, in these questions, we have to take the present age. Shobha's age is equal to x. 13 years ago, x minus 13. 13 years later, x plus 13. Now, read the condition. 13 years ago, that means x minus 13 is half her age 13 years later, x plus 13. 2x minus 26 is equal to x plus 13. So, this becomes x, this becomes 13 plus 26, 39. So, that is option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Let us see the next one. Statement 1 and statement 2. The length of the rectangle park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. If the perimeter of the park is 178 meters, then the dimensions of the park are 36 meters and 53 meters. Okay. Let us see the condition. The length of a rectangular park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. The difference between the length and breadth is 17. 36 plus 17. 53. So, this is correct only. Statement 2, no need to find out the perimeter and everything. Okay. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Both the statements are true. So, option 1 is the correct answer itself. the denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. If 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. This is also very important model. Let the fraction be x by y. This is numerator and this is denominator. Denominator fraction is 3 more than the numerator. Okay, right. If numerator is x, denominator is 3 more than the numerator. That means x plus 3. Here y value is x plus 3. If 2 is added to the numerator and 5 is added to the denominator, numerator is x and denominator is x plus 3. If 2 is added to the numerator plus 2 and 5 is added to the denominator plus 5, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. That's it. So, x plus 2 by x plus 8 equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, 2x plus 2 2's 4 is equal to x plus 8. So, x is equal to 4. So, x is equal to 4 means where x is equal to for numerator only this one and denominator is 4 plus 3 7. So, option 1 is the correct answer for this question. A number whose fifth part increased by 4 is equal to its fourth part diminished by 10, then the number is, a number is x. A number whose fifth part, that means x by 5, increased by 4, so increased by 4 is equal to its fourth part diminished by 10. Fourth part means x by 4 diminished by 10, that means subtraction 10. Okay. So, x by 5 minus x by 4 equal to minus 10 minus 4. 4x minus 5x by 4, 5 is 20 is equal to minus 14. This is minus x by 20 equal to minus 14. Minus minus cancel. So, x is equal to 14, 2 is 28. So, 280 is the answer for this question. That number is 280. Okay, right. Let's see the next one. 3 prizes are to be distributed in sports meet so that their total cost is 2550 rupees. The value of the second prize is 3 by 4th of the first prize and the value of the third prize is 1 by 2 of the value of the second prize, then the value of the second prize is. Here total cost is given 2550 and comparison of the values are given, right. See how compared. The value of the second prize is 3 by 4th of the first prize. So, second prize is being compared by first prize and the value of the third prize is 1 by 2 of the second prize. Okay. Let's take the first prize is x. Cost of the first prize is x. Now, the second prize is, the value of second prize is 3 by 4 of the first prize, 3 by 4 of x. And third prize is 1 by 2 of the value of the second prize, 1 by 2 of the value of the second prize. Okay. So, this is 3 by 8x. So, sum of all these prices will be 2550 rupees. So, x plus 3 by 4x plus 3 by 8x is equal to 2550 rupees. Now, take the LCM. 8 is the LCM because two numbers are there. Bigger number is 8. So, this is 8x plus 2 3's 6x plus 3x equal to 2550. This is 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17x by 8 is equal to 2550. 17 ones, 17 150s. So, x is equal to 150 into 8. So, 15 into 8 120, 0. 1200 is the answer. Then the value of the second prize. What is the second prize here? X is, we have to read the question very carefully. 1200 we got x value. Here in options 1200 is there, but that is not the answer. So here the second prize is the question. Second prize means 3 by 4 of 1200. 3 by 4 of 1200. 3 3 is 9. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. While reading the question, we have to be very, very careful. Okay. In this session, we have discussed the advanced level questions. In the next session, we are going to see the new concept. Thank you for watching.